Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with your phone for free. And this is available for iOS phone and Android phones. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram account. I want you guys to go check that out and follow me. I have some very good stuff on there that you can learn about business and how to make money also. So go ahead and go to App Grind on Instagram, follow me there, DM me if you have any questions about any of my videos. Now, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And once you see that code word, just type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, family, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Mech. So you go to getmoocash.com to get to this website. Now, what I'm gonna do, guys, is show you this website, which has an app available on this website for this website, and also I'm gonna show you another app where you can make money with your phone. So on this website right here, it says here, turn swipes and taps into cash, earn $5 per day. So guys, you can easily earn $5 per day with this app, and it's available at the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website. So you're able to win many awards with this website, guys, or this app. So all you do is redeem coins for cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. And you'll be able to earn easy coins, guys. So get these offers on your lock screen and swipe to take offer. Simply as that. So guys, what it is, you're going to have the offers on your lock screen, and once you swipe on it, you get paid. So many ways to earn. So you can try apps, visit pages, or complete tasks, surveys. This is a very easy way, guys, to make some money real fast. And it's all on your phone. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the frequently asked questions. So it says here, what type of offers do I get? You will see banner that launches App Store for you to install free apps and games. You might also get banner that opens page with rich media such as videos, e-commerce promotion, food delivery offers, etc. And again, you're going to get $5 when you swipe on your lock screen. So minimum redemption is $2. So you can redeem as low as $2 with this app, guys. And of course, you need to have PayPal or a bank transfer to get your money, guys. So make sure you have PayPal. Or if you have a bank, you can do a bank transfer. And here's the only downfall with this website or with this app is it's going to take 7 days, guys, for you to get paid. So that's the only downfall with this app. All right, that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and make this money with your phone, go to getmoocash.com, or you can just download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now let me go to the next app. All right, family, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Cash Magnet. So get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. So guys, this is a very, very simple and easy way to make money with this website. You really don't have to do that much. Now, all you have to do is put your email and password to sign up. And as you can see right here, how it looks inside the app. Shows your earnings, yesterday earnings, your monthly earnings, your total balance. So it says here we have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You just click right here to download the app. It's only in Google Play Store. That's the only thing about this website. It's only available in Google Play Store. So it says here, guys, check this out. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can buy another phone. It works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. It's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the frequently asked questions, guys. So what is Cash Magnet? So it is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you're not using the phone. And let's just read this one right here. It said, how does the accumulation of points happen? So accumulation of points take place every 5 minutes. The longer your program will work on your phone, the more money you will receive. So guys, all you have to do is just download this app on your phone and then start making money. Now, how do you redeem your points? Because you're going to be accumulating points when you download this app to your phone. So you can redeem your points at any time. You're going to need PayPal, or you can get Amazon gift cards, iTunes, Google Play card, gift cards, PlayStation, Steam card. What is the minimum payment? So the minimum payment is $1. See, this is lower than the other app. You can cash out at $1, guys. Let's look at this question right here. How long does it take to earn points? So it says here most users can easily earn enough points to redeem for 2 days. So in 2 days, guys, you can earn some money. That's real quick. That's real fast. Okay, guys, I'm not going to read all these other questions. You can come in here and check them out for yourself. But this is a good app. You don't have to do nothing at all. You just download it on your phone and start making that money, guys. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making this money with this app, go to cashmagnetapp.com, sign up, download it on your Android phone, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about either one of these apps. And please, guys, share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, before you leave, one more thing I want to do. I want to do a shout out. I do this every video. So today's shout out will go to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate you checking out my videos. If you share my videos, keep sharing, keep hitting that like button, and I hope you are subscribed. All right, guys, thank you for everything, guys. I really appreciate it. Road to 7,000. Let's get there by the end of this month of September. And guys, I really want to thank you for always checking out my videos. I really do appreciate it. I hope I brought some value to you today, guys, that'll help you to start making money. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.